Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking a delivery platform because performance and input differ widely. Choose mobile VR for accessibility or PC VR for high fidelity. Once decided, select capture hardware, 360 cameras for 3DoF or multi-camera rigs for 6DoF, and gather lenses, mounts, and sync. Make a focus storyboard with scale references and lighting goals so you can shoot efficiently. This reduces wasted takes. Finally, set file and codec standards, now so your pipeline runs smoothly from capture into editing. You move into capture and assembly where attention to detail matters. Lock exposure and white balance on set, and maintain consistent framing so stitches match. After capture, stitch using a tool tuned to your camera rig, refine seams and correct parallax issues, then export HDR panoramas or depth maps. Once done, import to your compositor or engine, add spatial audio tracks tied to scene objects, and bake lightweight geometry or depth meshes to improve occlusion and reduce reprojection artifacts during playback. You finish by optimizing for your platform, downscale textures, create LODs, bake lighting, and target the device frame rate. This prevents motion sickness and ensures fluid interaction. Once optimized, run iterative tests on actual headsets with real users, checking tracking, input mappings, and comfort. Make sure to log GPU/CPU metrics for hotspots. Finally, export platform-specific builds and include quality presets. If problems persist, a key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the issue on a reference device, then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.